Hello everybody, this is Dwayne from TechUp, and today what we're going to do is we're going to work within cPanel and we're going to set up a WordPress site. cPanel is a hosting tool that hosts your website pages and email. So let's go ahead and jump up in this. Okay, as you see right here, this is what cPanel looks like. You have your different sections set up. We're gonna on this particular example, we're gonna set up a subdomain. Now, subdomain is a domain that is sub to your actual domain. So here at 757goldgrills.com, and I'm gonna set up a page for inquiries or inquiring. This is just a little test, so I just use inquiring. So we're going to type in inquiring in subdomain, and as you see, comes out as inquiring.757goldgrills.com. This error right here means because the domain is already set up. So let's go and check that out. Okay, down at the bottom of the page, in the modify a subdomain section, we already see that the domain has been set up. So no need to set it up. So let's go right into setting up WordPress on this. So we go back to the cPanel home page and we scroll down to a section that has top applications. In my hosting, I offer top applications, over 500 applications where you can download WordPress sites or e-commerce sites. What we're going to do is set up a WordPress site. So we're going to go down and hit install, and once we install, we're going to show which domain we're going to put it on. We're going to put it on the inquiry domain. So we're going to choose domain, put that there. We're going to name the site. I'm just going to name it something simple now because it's a test. So we're going to put inquire, and I'll put something simple here, maybe like for any questions you have. Okay, let's go ahead and put that in there. Then we're going to roll down, fill in the admin information, the admin username. We're going to just use test. Of course, you wouldn't use test. We're going to put in the password. We're going to use testing 1 2 3 4. And of course you wouldn't use that. That's a very weak password. As you saw, that there is an admin password associated to this. You see here, we're going to come back to that later, but we're going to hit install, and once it installs, takes a few moments sometimes. Once it installs, you see your information here. Go down, you see your URL and your admin URL. You can go into your URL to check out the page. So this is what it looks like. It's very fast setup. The only thing we need to do now is edit it. You would edit it in the admin URL. So we're going to go back and we're going to scroll down. As you see, it's a list of all installations down here. Now you can remove, edit, clone, do other different different sites down here. We'll get into that in a later session, but what we want to do is we want to go ahead and edit this domain. So we want to go to the WordPress admin URL. We're going to find that under the edit domain section or edit site section. You see it's there. Normally is the domain name /WP-admin. So if you ever forget. So we're going to put in our password, username, go ahead and log in, and this is where we get started. As you see, we land on the customize page to customize the theme that we already had installed by default. We're going to go down and hit appearance in the sidebar, hit appearance and go to themes. It's going to pull up themes, the ones that we already have installed. We're going to search for a theme. We're going to go under feature or popular. Let's go and select under popular and see what we can pull up. You see a thing that you like, you know, you just go ahead and click on it and hit install. And then after you hit install, you're gonna hit activate. As you see, all right. Okay, so after you have installed it and activated it, you can go in and you can change the way that it looks to customize. We'll get in the customize section in a while, but what you would do, you can go back to your site and you see that it changed. That thing wasn't all that great, but you know, it's for instructional purposes only. I'm showing you how to install a WordPress site using cPanel, using actually Softaculous, which is a tool within cPanel. All right, so back to the customized section right here. All right, and here's where you can put your posts, pages, or different things of that nature. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and we're gonna set up some email accounts for that. Remember, we had that admin email account that was set by default after we installed the WordPress application. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and set up that admin email account. So if anybody emails us, we'll be able to get to that. And in the next section, I'll show you how you can go ahead and sign into your webmail or install your email on your mobile device. Or you can also assign TechUp to be your personal help desk or technical assistance, and we'll do it all for you. But as you see here, we want to setting up the email. We're going to give it an unlimited mailbox quota. We're going to go ahead and create it, and there you have it. How to install WordPress and cPanel and set up an email account.